हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल जी। आज ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਨੀਰ ਟਿੱਕਾ which is a very famous Indian vegetarian appetizer. So I have all the ingredients in front of me. We have paneer, we have onions, green pepper, dry methi, we have chaat masala which is optional, we have fennel seeds, and then we have marinated paneer. And I have with me Chahat Sharma today. Who is our youth coordinator. She's gonna give you a little bit more intro of all these ingredients.
Paneer is an Indian cheese made from curdled milk and fruits plus vegetable acid. Paneer has lowered the amount of fat compared to other cheeses, is rich in protein, and boosts weight loss. Tandoori masala is Indian masala that consists of cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Tandoori masala is also good for the body as it offers minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. We will also be using olive oil because it is a healthy option as it is not associated with weight gain and it has strong anti-inflammatory properties.
So I am taking little bit olive oil, 1 or 2 tablespoons, and the heat is on. You need a wider pan so you can mix everything up. I have soaked fennel seeds in the water so they get a little bit fluffy. So this is just the fennel seeds, and I'm going to turn the pan a little bit on. Maybe not, maybe it's making too much noise. And then we're going to just stir fry quickly the fennel seeds in the olive oil. I will be adding a little bit garlic. I don't like much, but it has to be in. It's one of the ingredients, so you can add as you taste. So I'm gonna add a little bit, but I will be adding more ginger puree. For paneer tikka, I always use ginger puree. And you can do this on medium heat. In the marinated paneer, I have lemon juice, I have dried methi leaves, I have salt, and I have little bit pinch of tandoori masala. If you don't like tandoori masala, you can use, it's just a combination of all the different herbs and spices, so it will save you lots of time getting everything else. So I just use pinch of this to add the color to the paneer. So it's nice red color with all the spices. It has salt, suki methi, and tandoori masala. That's all you need. And we just saute it. Thoda jiha inu tusi stir fry karo. Stir fry kar lo thoda jiha. Mix it well. And then we have all different colors of pepper. I have green pepper, orange, yellow, red. I just love all the colors in the paneer tikka. I love using the red onions. You can use any onions you like. Just you need a big chunk of onions. When somebody comes to our house unexpected and I don't have anything ready, this is the easiest, quickest thing I can make for them. I always keep paneer in the freezer so we can, make something. And this is all you need, and it's already set to go in 5 minutes. Nice appetizer, very filling as well. If you are doing it on the barbecue, you can screw all these things on a skewer and roast it, or you can do it in the oven as well. You can grill it as well. And I'm just gonna add all of these. Here we go. And just mix it up. I love chaat masala, so I'm just gonna add a little touch of chaat masala to it. And that's it. Our paneer tikka is ready to go. And I'm going to serve you on a very nice dish I got. Summertime, I just love all the colors. That your guests don't have to wait that long, and you don't have to spend too much time in the cooking. Now you can taste it and tell me how it looks. Give me 1 second. Move all these things.
Let me try. So tempting.
Good.
So delicious.
Thank you.